What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here, and today we have a brand new product to debut, a ergonomic high back chair from Smugdesk. And as you can see, we are right now in my wife's craft room, or it's soon to be craft room. So we're basically going with a white and gray theme. And hopefully today we have a gray high back ergonomic chair for her to work on behind me when she's doing her stuff on her computer. So let's go ahead and unbox this first, and then we'll talk about its key features. Okay, so this is basically what you get outside of the box. You're gonna get your back, your seat, your headrest, your hydraulics, your armrest, as well as all the bolts that you're gonna have to put everything together. And then they also include a nice instructional manual for you to put everything together nice and easy. So I'm gonna go through that real quick. I'm gonna time-lapse everything so you guys can enjoy that, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about all of the key features of this chair and why I chose it. Okay, so there you have it. The ergonomic high back chair from Smugdesk is complete. Let's talk about a little bit of the key features. Okay, so the key features of this chair, the reason why I bought this is because it's got great lumbar support. And it's got a lot of things that can move. So the armrest can go up and down, so depending on where you want your arms to rest, if you want them lower, if you want them out of the way, you can do that. And then if you're kind of just at your computer and you're typing, it does provide a lot of lumbar support to keep your back straight, so that when you're typing, you're not kind of hunched over like this and kind of hurting your neck, giving you tension headaches or anything like that. So one of the main reasons I got it was definitely the lumbar support. Also, when you recline, it provides 117 degrees of, I guess, back support. So basically when you're leaning back like this, it's supporting your neck, it's supporting your back, and it's super comfortable. And by that comfort, I mean it breathes. So a lot of your traditional chairs are cloth or they're leather or something like that. And basically when you're leaning back and you're kind of trying to relax, you end up sweating. But at least with this chair, when you're leaning back and relaxing, and let's just say you fall asleep, it breathes and it lets air up so you're not sweating, which is great. And then last but not least, the one thing I really wanted was some casters that won't scratch the floors. So we redid this room. It used to have carpet here. We put down brand new vinyl flooring. And I didn't want it to get scratched with any of the rolling. So what was great with this chair is that they're polyurethane. So when you roll around, it's not gonna scratch the floor. Okay, so there you have it, the high back ergonomic chair from Smugdesk. Smugdesk was kind enough to forward me a 10% coupon, which I'll leave for you guys in the description below in case you guys are interested in seeing this chair or purchasing one of their products. Definitely check them out. They got a ton more products on their website at smugdesk, I believe, .net. If not, I'll put that also in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and us outfitting my wife's craft room. Stay tuned. We might have more videos coming at you. If you like this video, leave a comment in the description, in the comment section below. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.